Okay, early in the morning, about to get to this Audi A5 right here, get this in the shop and get to it. You already know. Okay, it's looking nice, decent. Liking how these levers is looking. Okay, let's see what we working with here. Nice smooth start up. See the mileage on the cluster. Everything's loading up. Alright, so let me get this in the shop. I'm gonna see what it do. Nice backup camera. Alright. I guess the door's not connecting to Bluetooth. But okay. So it's looking real nice right here. As you can see, you already know. Just to give a little quick preview, engine compartment. As you can see, yeah. Okay, on this 2019, as you can see, the bolts here, these are T20s that is going to be used, T20 Torx for this 2019 Audi right here. Okay, to get basically to get this shield down right here. Another thing, it has two tabs that sit to the back, as you can see right here. So you need to get like a flat screwdriver and pry them down. You have one located here, and you have one located right there also. Okay, just basically finished this up. I did find a fault when working on this. I guess whoever the last prior technician who basically did the work to this vehicle, they topped it up with brand new oil, but unfortunately in my observations, basically they never replaced the filter. The filter's located here, so maybe they didn't know where the filter was in order to change it possibly, or just doing a half-ass job. But basically that's what it is, and basically this is where it's located, up underneath this cover right here. Okay, so as you can see, I got the BOXSPORT forged aluminum 7075-T6 wheel hangers. Like I said, for BMW, Mercedes, Volkswagen, and Audis right here. Okay, so just like to say what I was talking about specifically, like for these models right here, which is a 2019. And basically, as you can see, the wheels would basically sit on those pins. So basically, this is why you would use this wheel hanger guide, okay, keep you to guide the wheel when installing it properly. It also helps to keep you from cross threading, okay. Okay, so yeah, like I said, I did pick up this BOXSPORT yesterday. This is for BMW, Mercedes, Audis, and Volkswagens. Okay, this is a wheel hanger guide, and once again, the part number is 7075-T6. Okay, and as you already know, I always keep my signature lingering somewhere in the background, my Dunkin' Donuts coffee. All right, so into the next one. We're gonna check you later. Peace.